To enable intelligent scan lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Security. Tap Screen Lock Type. Enter your password, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint if required. Tap Intelligent Scan switch until blue to enable. Read disclaimer, and then tap OK. Intelligent Scan combines face and iris scanning. Tap Continue. To face registration, hold your phone 25 or 35 cm from your face. Position your eyes in the circle shown on the screen. To iris registration, hold your phone 25 or 35 cm from your face. Position your eyes in the circle shown on the screen. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.